Hi friends, today I will see in this video we seeing how we can install the current Eclipse version and running first Java program on it. Thank you for choosing this video. Let's get started. First of all, go to your browser. In that type Eclipse download. In that first site is official site eclipse.org. Please check it and click on it. First site, whenever you go inside as download 64 in your 64 bit version, click on it, and next we will have download. Click on it. Boom, it will be downloading. 120 MB file is there, Eclipse. Let's wait for a few minutes. You can click on it or go to the file manager and click on that file. It's opening. It will be opening. Eclipse installer. You want to work with C, C++ or PHP or RCP and RAP. You can choose on that, but we need to mm, Java. That's why I will be install it in Java. It's a path that you can your project will be downloaded inside us. Click on install. It's the version 2.0. Accept now. It will be installing. Please wait for few seconds. It will be completed. Let's click on launch. Yeah, it will be opening, and your shortcut window will be appear here on desktop. Mm, let's click on launch. It will be starting Eclipse ID. Okay, it will be opened. Go to the file, click on the new, and it's a Java project, and click on the project name. Create one slash Rajput. It's a Java environment Java SE 17. It's up to you. You want to latest go with the 18 and 19. We want 17, and let's click on the next. It will be creating a project. Okay, it will finish it. Let's click on the new, and you have project. No, I will be creating a project. I create a class. Click on the class and click on the class name, giving the class name, and we want to the method of public static void main, not inheritance. Let's click on the finish. It will be opening your first program. Okay, let's welcome. Click on that. It will be opened. Let's run our first program. Inside Java, yes, system dot out dot print ln. Okay, subscribe the channel. Okay, semicolon is there. Okay, click on the run button. The run button is here. Source. Okay, it will be run. Subscribe the channel. First program will be run. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, then subscribe it and like it. Thank you.